Okay, so now we're going to talk about the front radio. It's the new update from Mercedes-Benz that comes with all of our Revels now. It's the Mercedes-Benz radio. So a couple features of this new radio are, very first button on the left side here is going to be the radio button, which takes you right to the radio. Now we can use the dial on the left for volume, dial on the right for individual tuning there for presets, and then we can individual tune through all the arrows here. Other one we have is media, and we have no memory card in there for the media part of it. Navigation, the navigation part of this, we can use Google Maps, we can use any of those apps on our phone, and we can connect it to this for the voice part of those maps. So a lot of people are using their phones and that for all their navigation use. And I'll show you after a little bit here how we Bluetooth our phones and connect the audio part of that to there. Next one over is going to be telephone. So for Bluetoothing your phone, okay, this is a little different than normal Bluetooth stuff. So very first thing you're going to do is push telephone. It's going to ask you ready for Bluetooth connection. No phone is connected. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this arrow on the bottom and go down to where it says phone on the bottom. We're going to click on the middle button on the right side there. Now it's going to say connect phones. Click on that again and it says update here. And it doesn't show any phones in the list. So I will just push that one more time. And now it's going to search for Bluetooth devices. We'll let it search here for a second. If it doesn't find any, it will say failed, and then you have to just make sure you have your Bluetooth on your phone. So right here it says search for Bluetooth devices failed. That's just because we don't have any phones close or active. Once it comes up, it's going to show that device name. So say it says Galaxy S9, we're going to click on that one. And then it's going to ask you to put a code in. You can make up whatever code you want to. If you want 1, 2, 3, 4, or just any code that works for you, put that code in, because once you go to your phone, it's going to ask for that code on your phone. And then you'll type that code in to Bluetooth your phone to the system. Push that. We'll go back. Your back button's here to go back. Okay, after that part, how we connect our audio for playing music or playing our navigation, the voice on the navigation. Back here on the Bluetooth page, we're going to go over here to audio. Up, over to audio on the left side there. I'm going to click OK. Now it's going to ask us what kind of audio we want to use. So we'll go down to Bluetooth audio. Click on that. It just says no Bluetooth audio devices authorized. If your phone is connected, it will allow you to connect to that one. So then we'll just go down to Bluetooth audio on the bottom. So now click on that. Bluetooth audio device list, click on that, and then again here it's going to give you your phone name, and then you click on that, and then your audio will connect to the system. And that's how we're going to get that audio off that navigation, and that's how we're going to play music too. Alright, let's go back. So it's a little different than normal Bluetoothing. There's a couple more steps, but really it's not too bad. Once you do it a couple times, it's actually going to be pretty easy. Alright, couple other buttons we have on this side is we have muting the system. Right here's our system button. That's going to take us into our, let me go back out. So it takes us into our system. So we have settings. You can shut your display off, audio, phone settings. So in the settings, it has display settings, language, time format, activate Bluetooth, or reset your whole system is what that reset is for. And by resetting that whole system, you're actually going to clear all the Bluetooth devices off the system, so you'll have to reconnect all those if we do a reset. And then let's go radios. Okay. And then coming down, that was your system button. Then we have hanging a call up, answering a call right here. More tuning options for the radio here. On off is here, so if I push it, that's off. And again, your key doesn't have to be in to use this radio. We can just push that on button anytime, and it's actually going to turn the radio on. All right. Then I'm going to go up to system. All right, so volume's also right here. We do have a keypad over here for dialing numbers, 1, 2, 3, all the way through 9, just like a normal keypad on your phone. And then again, your arrows are going to select all the functions, pretty much anything through that radio. The nice feature about this radio too is our backup camera. It can be on at any time and not just in reverse. So, but your engine has to be running for that camera to get activated. So once that engine's running, you can select camera. It will bring up that backup camera. You can have it on the whole time you're traveling down the road, which is a nice feature. That's actually really nice because then you can see what's going on with your tow vehicles, what's going on with any cars behind you, any of that stuff. So not a lot to the system, pretty easy to use. Once you use it a couple times, you'll have the whole system down. It's pretty easy. Other than that, that's about all there is to the front radio. Well, hopefully that was helpful for you. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, give us a call here at Lichtsinn RV. Thanks.